is KADEK DWIPAYANA. Today I gonna teach you how to make a sandwich. The ingredient first is white bread without the skins, onion, left lettuce, sardine fish without the sauce, tomatoes, boiled eggs, mayonnaise, and half of cheese. Step by step how to make. Firstly, toast the bread on the Teflon without put anything on the surface. Let the bread until you find it turn to be brown. Secondly, lift and grease by using mayonnaise as your test on the bread surface. Number 3, make the content of your sandwich by combining all the material together. Add the mayonnaise and stir until blended. And number 4, take bread that has been baked. Layer it with lettuce and cheese on the top. Also put the content of the sandwich mixture on the top. Then cover with sliced tomatoes and lettuce. Add the mayonnaise over the lettuce before it is covered with the last layer of your sandwich bread. Finally, sandwich ready to serve it. Thank you.